Hi everyone, Dr. T here. Welcome to eLearning Open House. Let me begin by saying that we miss everyone and we hope all of you are well. As we begin this journey together, I know there will be lots of questions and issues about how we're going to finish the year at home. We will all be learning together during this time, including myself because I also have 2 children at home who are engaged in e-learning. Hey everyone, Dr. T here. This is just a quick video helping you parents understand how your students are going to log in to their assignments using Clever. Whether your teacher is using Google Classroom or Canvas, you'll use the Clever portal.
So you're going to click on the Clever icon on your desktop, and then it'll either ask you to log in or it'll just go straight to Clever. And then after you log in, Canvas should be towards the top, and then you just click on that, and then to see your assignments, you're going to go into a class, and right on your home page there should be a little to-do box right here, and it should tell you what you need to do.
Down here on your desktop there will be a little Chrome button, so you're going to click that. That's how to get to Google Classroom. Then up here is what my teacher calls the waffle, and you're going to want to click it. And then it'll show you all these little icons, and you're going to want to click Classroom. And then you have all of your classes, and to see an assignment you just go on there, click on it, and then you can see all of that stuff.
Students will need to check in every day in my Canvas class for attendance. We are not officially taking attendance, but we need a record of who is able to access their online resources. As we begin, grading and strenuous assignments are not our goals. We will be mainly focusing on getting everyone up to speed on the various platforms and how to communicate effectively. Please email me and your teachers with any questions. Once again, you are all in my heart and prayers, and we will get through this together. I would like to say a special thanks to all our parents and family members that are working on the front lines during this crisis. Any medical personnel, first responders, thank you for your sacrifice. Everyone have a great day. I look forward to seeing you again soon.